Welcome everyone. In this video we are going to revise Microsoft PowerPoint and we will do the chapter number 5. We will do further things in that, how to design the PowerPoint. First we will open PowerPoint. For that we have to click on start button, then all programs, Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office we have to click in PowerPoint. Like this you will get the first interface of PowerPoint. We have already discussed how to open PowerPoint and how we can create a PowerPoint. So before designing or changing the things in PowerPoint, first we discuss about how we can add more slides into it. If you want to add more slides, you can see at the top side in home ribbon, left hand side, new slide option. When you click on new slides, you will get a gallery. In this gallery you will get different option, and whatever option you want to choose, you can click on the desired type and you will get a new slide of that desired type. This is the one way, and there is also another way to insert a new slide. To insert a new slide, you have to do just a right click on the left hand side pane where you can watch all your slides in number wise. You have to do the right click. When you will do the right click, you will see the new slide option. When you click on a new slide option, the new slide will be added. Like this, in similar way, you can also delete your slide. On left hand side pane where the sheets are, where the PPTs are there, slides are there, you can do the right click to the particular slide and you will get a delete slide option. You can click on delete slide, the slide will be deleted. So if you want to add a new slide or to delete a slide, what you can do, on a left hand side pane you can do the right click, and then in the context menu you will get the option of new slide and delete a slide. Now we will learn how to design a slide, how we will format a slide. So you have to choose the desired slide in which you want to enter the data, and you can enter the data from the keyboard. Now if you want to change the color, what you have to do, you have to select the whole data. Then what you can do, you can choose the theme color from here. Whatever theme color you want, you can choose from theme palette and you will click on it. You will see the color is changed. If you want your data, whatever you have written, in upper or lower case, if you want to change the case, you have the option of changing the case just next to it. A small a and a capital A is there. You have to click on it, and in the context menu you will get sentence case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word, and toggle case. So if you want to change your case, you can click on it. Like suppose if I want all this data in uppercase, then I will click on uppercase. The data is changed in the uppercase. We can increase the size or decrease the size from here. First we have to select the data, and by the clicking on the arrow you will see the list 8, 10, 10.5, 11, 12, 16, 18, 24, 32, 36, 40. You can increase the size by here or a sign just next to it, and the arrow tip to the top, you can click here and you will see your data is, size of your data is increased. In similar way, if you want to decrease the size, just the small a next to it, you can click here and the size is decreased. So if you want to increase or decrease the size, just click on capital A or small a. The size will increase or decrease for the particular type. If you want to change the font, what you have to do, you have to click here, like where the Calibri font, in a font tab Calibri body is written, this font is there, and if you want to change any of the font, you can choose and you will see the font is changed. This is for the simple data, whatever data you are writing, this is for that. If you want to edit your data, what you can do, you can, if you want to change the data or edit data, you have to select the part where you want to edit. You can use the backspace button to delete or the delete button to delete the data. In formatting, if you want to format your data, if you want to copy or paste your data, what you can do, you can select the data whatever you want and you can click here on copy option, left hand side on the home tab. In clipboard it is written copy, and the shortcut of copy is Ctrl+C. If you want to cut the data, this scissor is there, then the shortcut is Ctrl+X. By this you can cut your data. If you want to paste your data, here it is. If you copy, and when you copy the thing, you can see here the paste option, and the shortcut is Ctrl+V. I will show you. I have just copied this, and I will put the cursor in, and I will click on the paste button, and the data is pasted. So you have seen for cut, copy and paste the data, we have the shortcut plus the option here, the icons in which you can click and you can cut your data, copy your data and paste your data with the help of the clipboard ribbon. From the clipboard you can cut your data, or you can use the Ctrl+X, or you can copy your data, that is Ctrl+C, and after that you can paste your data, Ctrl+V. Now you have some background option in design tab. You have different themes. You can choose any of the theme that is in your syllabus or chapter number 5. You can change the theme from design. You can select any of the theme from here, and then after selecting the different theme, what you can do, you can also change its color by changing any of the color. Font style, you can change any of the font style, and the effects. All three are there in the ribbon and theme option. From theme option you can select any of the effect, font or color. If you want to change the background, you can go in background style. In background style you have the different style here, and after choosing the background style or what, without choosing, it's up to you. If you want to choose any style, what you can do, click on the format background option. In this format background option you will get different option, like if you want to add gradient, picture or texture, you can click on picture or texture. You can choose any of the texture. You can also see the previous video for this. I have already explained you. And if you want to insert a file, you can click on insert file or the clipboard option or the for the clip art. You can also use the clip art part in this. And if you want to reset each and everything, you also have the option of reset background. The first option you can see, it is written reset background. You can click here on the reset background and your background will be resetted. Like I have show you, click on reset background, the background is gone. So, and there is also a simple way for this. You on a home tab, you have different option. You have to select this, the data, wherever you have to fill the data. In that you can click on the shape fill. In shape fill you can have the texture option, or you can click on the go from the design, then background style, then you can add all these things, all the texture in your slide. Or what else you can do, you can go in a home tab, and in a home tab, in drawings you have the shape fill option. In shape fill you have texture option to change the background. In drawing you will also get a function of shapes. If you want to add a shape, you have shapes here. You can add different shapes in this. One more option is there in insert. If you want to add shapes, you can add the shape from here and the word art. Like you have done the word art in MS Word, in similar way you can also add a word art here. So it is totally up to the user how he has to make his PPT. You can also add charts in your PPT. Chart we made from data, and Microsoft provide Microsoft Excel to save our data in the form of rows and column. That is MS Excel. When we save our data in MS Excel, we save our data in the form of rows and columns, and that data can be analyzed by the help of chart. Here we have the different chart: column chart, line chart, pie chart and bar chart. These are the most common chart type. And when we click on OK, we will see the MS Excel table. You can see here the MS Excel table. This is by default table, is coming on the right hand side. You can see this data, and we can change the data as per our need. And that when we change our data, the same change we will see in our PowerPoint. Whatever change you will make in Excel, that will reflect in PowerPoint. And then after that you can customize your chart. Chart basically we use to analyze or to present our data in a pictorial format. When we have this, and for this you can how to format this chart. You can watch the previous video. I have explained each and everything in previous video about this practical. So this is how you can add or format or to edit your PowerPoint. To save this PowerPoint, you have to click on Office button. You have to go back, File button. In File you have Save and Save as option here. And if you want to close your PPT, you can click on close, and the PPT is asking if you want to save the data. And if I clicked on save, and it will close the PPT. This is how you can save, close your PowerPoint presentation. Thank you everyone for watching.